Is it Hazel's birthday party?
Yeah, and my birthday party.
And how old are you going to be?
2.
That's right. And what are we going to have at the party that you're going to jump in?
Castle.
Jumpy castle? And what are you going to eat?
Cake.
What are we going to put in the cake?
Naya birthday.
What are you going to blow out?
Candles.
Yeah, and what are people going to sing to you?
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me.
Who's coming over to your house for the party?
Now I'm Martin.
Kids?
Yeah. I'm Martin and kids.
And Malkin and kids?
Yeah.
And who else?
Martin and kids for my birthday.
Yeah.
Mama, how much fishing?
Okay, here you go. Are you excited for your party? Almost